Want this? Let's start editing. Add the Baby Monster Forever MV. Tap the audio, tap the beats icon, and tap the auto generate intense. First clip, normal speed video, duration 5.6 seconds. On the beginning of the clip, add effect vertical open under opening and closing. Trim the effect up to the third beat mark. Use Twixtor or slow motion video on the following clips. Second clip, 0.9 second, add white photo as overlay in between the first and second clip. Make it 0.2 second, and cover the whole screen. Use mask mirror, and drag the double arrow to create white shadow, then adjust it like this. Rotate the white photo and hide on the upper left part of the screen, then add keyframe on the first part of the clip. On the last part of the overlay clip, drag the white photo and hide on the lower right side of the screen. In between the second and third clip, add transition camera rotate CW2. Add animation in zoom 1, on the fourth clip, and zoom 2, to fifth clip up to the eighth clip. Now go back to the middle part of the second clip, where the beat mark is added. Tap the opacity icon, and add keyframe. Add an additional keyframe on both sides. Adjust the opacity of the middle keyframe to 50 to create blink or black flash effect. Do these steps on every clip. When done, remove the audio for a while, and export the project. Go back to the project and tap Undo to bring back the audio. Then add the exported project. Trim the first part of the new clip to 7.9 seconds. Tap the transform icon, and select mirror. When finished, export the project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.